Hello guys, and welcome to one of our newest product reviews, product releases that we actually want to show you the latest pieces that we have made for the DAZ DNW. Today our focus is on the Throttlebodyelbow, which you can see here. This is our new 18mm Throttlebodyelbow, which is CNC billet machined aluminium. Has 80mm all the way, zero reductions. If you compare it to a stock one, just let it put side by side, you directly see that the stock one has quite a lot of limitations. The strongest one is, if you put it into that perspective, you can see it very easily. It's touched down extremely. The diameter and everything goes down to a minimum quite in front of the throttle body, which is not positive for your airflow. And also from the inside, if you look from the inside, yeah, I do not have to say a lot about that. It's just not volume friendly compared to the 80mm version, which is just phenomenal flow inside. Not any weld spot, zero. So perfect flow. In front of the turbine, also we are eliminating another problem which the stock elbow has. The stock elbow has the original electric controlled blow off in here. And the more kilometers or the more miles you drive with your car, the more usage you can see here on the sealing surface. As you can hear, that it starts to get a border. It will start to leak, it will start to fail at some point. And even though those don't like really more than 1.8, 1.9 bar over time, if you run big hybrid setups, aggressive hybrid setups, or even full frame setups, this is quite not the final stage that you should go with. You should rather consider to go with something that delivers really good airflow, that has a lot of volume. And as you can see, we don't have any more blow-off points on our elbow because our elbow is planned to be used with our 80mm charge pipe that you can see here. It also goes straight 80mm, and it has a mechanical blow-off. That one has the Turbosmart race port on it. You can get this in red and blue, whatever color you prefer. You also have connection points for VMI and to take out for your boost gauge some kind of boost. So you can get this with twice the blue pin, or you can get it with twice the vacuum connector, whatever you like. So this is just the comparison that you can see. On one hand, this one, 8mm, straight flow in front of the turbine. Also mechanical blow off, able to handle any kind of boost level you want it to go. And on the other hand, you see the stock small tiny elbow, which is normally combined with the stock charge pipe. That has also very ugly reductions in it, squeezed down to, on the weakest point, 45mm, which doesn't even handle any kind of good flow. And if you put them, look side by side, yeah, what do we need to tell about that? I mean, it speaks for themselves. So yeah, maybe it gets more visible when you put it like that. So yeah, you really see quite the strength of the 80mm system, and you really see the weak points of the stock system. So this is why we increased this to 80mm. And the good thing is our HPerformance race intercooler, designed to handle any kind of horsepower level you want to run on your DAZ, enters out with 80mm. It enters into our charge pipe with 80mm and goes straight through the throttle body elbow. Let's put it this way, an 80mm to your throttle body. So that is really designed to handle quite a lot of power, quite a lot of airflow. So here you see, as I mentioned, two brand new products.